Thank you very much. The lecture to start with was amazing, and I went through it again and took notes. That helped me a lot. I didn't study any other resources. I didn't go into any books or anything. I was so happy as a generalist with the lecture material from you. Back to Mani, thank you again. First of all, for organizing the whole course. It is really nicely run, prepared, and conducted. And thank you, Rachel, Sharif, Salama, and then thank you, the rest of the guys. Maybe I won't be able to name all of them, but absolutely many, many, many thanks. Just change your life, change your commitments, modulate it around this course, and you get there. And it does help. Even the way it is done, the lecture during the weekdays and then the vivas at the weekend, this helps you studying. So the viva is good. It takes you to the exam scenario, like similar to the exam. Few stations could be harder, which is good. You'll know what to say safely, even if you don't know. Dedicate your time for the course. I think without this course, I wouldn't have passed. It's very good, thorough, 3 months of commitment. So that's what you need to do.